Let's take you to our top focus story. Criminals are getting only more brazen in Uttar Pradesh, it seems, and the video that we're just about to show you, two videos at that, prove exactly the same. Absolutely zero fear of law or the police. This incident happened in Firozabad's Ramakrishna Nagar, where a criminal opened fire at the policemen and they bolted. Policemen had reached the house of a criminal, Nakul Yadav, to arrest him in connection with a loot case. Nakul's brother, Monu, who you can see on your television screen, trigger happy, was at home, picked up a country-made pistol and opened fire at the cops, who in turn made a run for it. Now, too scared to defend themselves, the cops fled the location, the incident clearly proving who is in control in Uttar Pradesh. And if that is not enough, we're going to get you another incident. This incident has taken place in Allahabad. From Firozabad, let's take you to Allahabad. This incident happened last night. Of complete lawlessness once again in Uttar Pradesh. Two unidentified persons attacked a leading private hospital in the city with crude bombs and managed to make an escape. The entire sequence of the shocking incident was caught on cameras installed in the hospital premises. This incident occurred at about 10 p.m. last night. Two motorcycle-borne youth pulled up in front of this hospital and started hurling crude bombs on the front gate. The explosions left hospital glasses completely shattered and triggered panic amongst the patients and staff members. Thankfully, no one was injured in the incident. The hospital is situated in an upscale locality, Tagore town. After the bomb attack, OPD facility in the hospital has been suspended. However, you can see the two men getting back on their motorcycle and leaving without anyone checking them. The police, on their part, say they have registered an FIR while efforts are being made to identify and nab the culprits whose faces are partially visible in the CCTV footage. 24 hours nearly after the bombing, the culprits are still at large. The horrifying incident has once again raised questions over the lack of governance and anarchy, which is today the state of Uttar Pradesh. Earlier on, we spoke to the ex-DGP Uttar Pradesh, Vikram Singh. Let's listen in on what he had to say on these two incidents.
Ex-DGP of UP is on the phone line with us. Mr. Singh, thank you so much for speaking with Headlines today. We're bringing to our viewers two incidents that have taken place in the last 24 hours in Uttar Pradesh, where on one hand you see this brazen goon on our screens right now who actually brandished a country-made revolver at policemen. Another instance also coming in from Allahabad, where a private hospital was attacked. What do you make of these incidents that are regularly coming up in the state?
This speaks volumes about the pitiable condition of law and order and crime control in the state of Uttar Pradesh. Firstly, the police seems to be clueless about the armed goons who seem to be taking pot shots at the police with absolute impunity, criminals hurling bombs with absolutely no care in the world. The police seems to have totally gone out of gear in the state. What they need.
The state of Uttar Pradesh, run by Akhilesh Yadav, completely lawless. Two incidents in 24 hours and all three perpetrators are at large. I'd like to cut across to somebody who's governed that land earlier, who's policed it. KL Gupta, former DGP Uttar Pradesh, is joining us live at this juncture. So the question I ask you is, you can see these two separate incidents. You've been the one who've manned the police in the state. What do you think is going wrong with the state?
It really pains me to see these incidents. Unfortunately, the iqbal of the government, पुलिस का इकबाल कुछ नहीं होता है. पुलिस इज द सिंबल ऑफ द स्टेट गवर्नमेंट. अगर पुलिस पे अटैक करता है कोई इस तरह से फेयरलेसली, इट इज अटैक ऑन द गवर्नमेंट. तो गवर्नमेंट हैज टू वेक अप कि व्हाट इज गोइंग रॉन्ग. पुलिस को इन्होंने पावरलेस बना दिया है, अच्छी ऑफिसरिंग नहीं है. दे हैव बीन आस्क्ड इनडायरेक्टली नॉट टू अरेस्ट सर्टेन ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल who are supporters of the party. All this criminal justice system has crumbled down in Uttar Pradesh. Police is part of it. Of course, the prosecution is there. Punishment is not there. Since last 10-15 years, cases are being tried and punishment is hardly minimal, 10 to 20%. The government is not paying attention to criminal justice system, administration and its reforms. You have to invest money on this thing. Police reforms, you have to invest in the police, prosecution, you have to increase the number of courts. All those things government has taken to the back burner. Their agenda is something different. On the development front, they make money and all those contractors. These police reforms and criminal justice reforms is the last in their agenda. And of course, their vote bank, they are being encouraged. Perhaps they get encouragement from the legacy on the government side. So the vote banks behaves like this. They challenge the police and the authority. After all, this government has to go someday. Some other person will also come. So they will also face this same type of music.
Is it because, Mr. Gupta, sir, is this because we have seen time in and time again various politicians from the top brass of the Uttar Pradesh government come out and make statements where, forget about just the police, the other government officials, where they make very clear that they are subservient to their political masters. Is that one of the reasons why the people have stopped respecting the police?
You see, we are the servants of the public, but the government of the day wants that we should be the servant of the government party in the power. Their agenda, their manifesto has to be followed. That is their thought. Because you see, the political class is, of course, what type of people are joining the politics. Criminals are 30 to 35% criminals are in the legislative side. They are our lawmakers and all those things. So they won't like any reform, so that they will not be in the jails. They will have 10-15 years of good time, cushy time and go away. So they are not using any reforms because their खेती पूरा दुकान इसी पे चलती है.
Right. Do stay on with us. Do stay on with us. I'm going to cut across to some political reactions. We have Lakshmikant Bajpai from the BJP. We spoke to him just a short while back, and then we are back again with the former DGP UP KL Gupta. Listen it.
उत्तर प्रदेश में कानून का शासन है नहीं, ये तो हम कहते थे, लेकिन इन दो घटनाओं में पुलिस की जो विफलता है और फिरोजाबाद में पुलिस की जो घुटना टेकू नीति है, उसने ये साबित कर दिया कि अपराधियों के हौसले बुलंद हैं और पुलिस की कोई आत्मविश्वास नहीं रह गया है। मेरा तो मत है कि उत्तर प्रदेश पुलिस के मुखिया को अपना आकलन स्वयं करना चाहिए। राजनीतिक कार्यकर्ताओं को लाठी और गोली से और फर्जी मुकदमों में जेल भेजने वाली ये पुलिस अपराधी के साथ कितना डर कर भागी है, इसको चुल्लू भर पानी में डूब मरना चाहिए।
Of course, this entire incident will be politicized, and you just heard Mr. Bajpai from the BJP taking on the Samajwadi Party's lack of governance. We still have with us former DGP Uttar Pradesh, Mr. KL Gupta. He's joining us live. Sir, the question I want to ask you, you've policed the state earlier. We have seen over the years how the entire fabric of law and order in the state has completely crumbled to a state of anarchy that we see right now. What do you think has gone wrong over the years, especially in the state of Uttar Pradesh?
You see, over the years, the things have gone from bad to worse. Till 89, the things were slightly better. After 89, when these regional parties and caste-dominated parties came to power, they had their own. They divided the bureaucracy and the police on the caste and communal lines. It's a vertical division. One party comes to power, one group of officers take charge. So all these officers are highly politicized, bureaucracy, police, including the police. So the officers who are in charge of the district line order administration, district superintendents and all, they are highly politicized. They subscribe to the manifesto program of the ruling party. They are not the servants of the public, unfortunately. In our time, things were not so bad. Things had started.
How do you de-link, sir? How do you de-link police from politics? How do you de-link governance from policing?
We have been crying hoarse that police reform should be there. Honorable Supreme Court has ordered this thing on 2006, and Mr. Prakash Singh and Legislative Police Commission, they have all been crying hoarse that reform the police, make it independent of these political masses, bosses. स्टेट सिक्योरिटी कमीशन बनाई है जिसमें लीडर ऑफ पोजीशन एमिनेंट पर्सन्स हो, पोस्टिंग ट्रांसफर ऑफ द इंपॉर्टेंट फंक्शन लाइक एसपीज, एसओ, डीजीपी, दे शुड बी हैंडल्ड बाय दीज गाइज. दे शुड नॉट बी ट्रांसफर्ड एट द whims of the local political third class political party workers. So all these things are happening. Which party is interested in the reforms? Nobody.
All right, appreciate you joining us, Mr. Gupta, former DGP, Uttar Pradesh. Sir, we are running short of time. Appreciate you joining us on this special broadcast. Two separate incidents, all three perpetrators involved in the last 24 hours in these two incidents are at large. We appreciate Mr. K.L. Gupta, former DGP, Uttar Pradesh, for joining us.